Hey friends, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making cream cheese frosting. I've got 1 stick of butter, and all this has to be room temperature or it will lump. I've got 1 block of cream cheese that I'm going to put in there, and we're going to whip it. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in there. We're going to mix it. I have 1 box, 16 ounces of powdered sugar. I'm going to pour that in there. Slowly. Okay, we're going to whip it. We'll see how thick it is real quick. Okay. It looks like that it was spread, but if yours is too thick, then you can add a little bit of milk to it. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite cake is. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.